I would probably just focus on what impact it would bring to the social stakeholders because I'm representing the FSC membership from the Social Chamber South. And surely if the motion 37 would pass, it would give the opportunities for indigenous peoples, the workers, local communities to take part in the remedy process for the remediations of the social harms that has been caused due to the conversions of the land for plantations. And they will also be given opportunities to be part of the remedy plan as well as the remedy implementations process. So I think this is something that perhaps the opportunities for the social stakeholders to be part of the system more than being left aside and just watch FSC or watch plantation companies go on operating in their lands without a proper and without a fair remediations, compensations, for example. And we started to talk about this many years ago. I think it was in the General Assembly 2011. Is that we were looking at the big picture, and the big picture is that there are huge potentials for FSC certifications in the for the plantations as well as in the tropics. And this is something that FSC needs to not to lose the momentum, because a lot of processes has been going on, a lot of studies has been done, and also a lot of public consultations have been undertaken to make sure that the membership are aware and involved in the process of developing both the framework, changes to the system, as well as the changes to the principles and criteria that relates to the changing of the 1994 rules. It will follow the timeline in accordance to the development of the normative framework. So it's usually a couple of months until it gets devised into the overall FSC normative standards. We believe that the FSC members will have a very positive and constructive dialogue, that if there are any lack of understanding, a lack of awareness, and lack of information about this, they can also refer to us or refer to the FSC staffs that has been handling the process for the past few years, so that they can also get a much more, they can be better informed and they can also support this. So we're only considering that